Hi everybody, so today I'm excited to share my thoughts on L'Oreal BB cream. I've been using this for the past few months, so let's start. Application is smooth and the coverage is medium to high, perfect for everyday wear. It even outs my skin tone, conceals minor imperfections, hydrates my skin. Overall, it's perfect for those seeking a natural everyday look. You can give it a try.
Face and body cleansing scrub.
How to use it?
Just massage your skin gently and scrub for 2 or 3 minutes.
What's the benefits?
Exfoliates your skin, minimize skin pores, gives glow, reduce fine lines, reduce wrinkles.
Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be sharing my experience with this ice roller. I have been using it for a month now and I can already see a difference. My skin looks smoother, pores are smaller and my dark circles are reduced. I personally loved it how cool it looks, and the best part, it's ridiculously easy to use and doesn't hurt my skin like other tools can. Just pop it in the freezer and roll it on your face. So if you're looking for a simple and effective skincare hack, you gotta try this out. Hey everybody, so I'm about to spill the tea on the Ordinary Salicylic Acid Serum. This stuff is literally like a magic eraser for your skin. Like it wipes away the acne, blackens and dullness and leaving you with a smooth and glowing complexion. And the best part, it's not one of those harsh stripping products that leave your skin feeling like a Sahara desert. No, it's like a gentle hug for your face. Overall, it's a nice product. I think you should give it a try.
Let's unbox this eyeshadow palette. Woo! Pretty colors. Look at the shine. Few swatches for you G's. Bye bye.